Welcome again to the continuation of this topic, sequences and series. We want to solve some important questions on sequences and series. You can see the questions on the board. If the sum of the given sequence is Sn equal to this, find its first term. If the number 4a, b, 40 and ab, find a plus b. If n partial sum of a sequence is n squared, find its n term. Find the sum of the GP, find the n term of the progression, and so on. Want to solve them one after the other. Question 1. If the sum of the given sequence is this, find its first term. For you to solve this question, say that first term equals to S1 minus S0. In the video before this, introduction of this topic, we derive a formula, say first term equal to S1 minus S0. What is your S1? You put your S1. S1 will be carry 1 and put as value of n inside this. So 1 will be your n. 1 squared plus 1 plus 2. That will be giving you 4. S0 equal to 0 squared plus 0 plus 2. That will be giving you 2. Therefore, first term equals to S1 minus S0. That will be giving me 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Answer. For question number 2, they say if the numbers these are in AB, find A plus B. They say 4A, B, 14. Call this T1, call this T2, call this T3, call this T4. Tell them that, see, it is an AB. AB says T2 minus T1. If this minus this, it's something as T3 minus T2. And it's something as T4 minus T3. Now see what we will do. We now say, what is your T2? A. What is your T1? 4. Equals to, what is your T3? B. What is your T2? What is your T2? A. Okay? Then equals to, what is your T4? 14. And what is your T3? B. So what you now do is, you say, okay, I'll compare this with this. I'll now say A minus 4 is equals to 14 minus B. Because from information we have here, it says this equal to this equal to this. So it means that this is equal to this. Now, minus B come to the other side to give you A plus B equal to 14 plus 4. Therefore, A plus B equal to 18. Answer. We go to question number 3. Question number 3 says, if nth partial sum of a series is this, find its nth term. Now, for you to solve it, remember there is a formula that says sum of the first nth term of an AP equals to n over 2 bracket A plus Tn, where this is your last term. So since they say if the n partial sum of a series is n squared, find the n term, I will equate this to my n squared, because n partial sum of a series simply means sum of the first n term. N partial sum of a series simply means sum of the first n term. So I equate this formula with this because it has accommodation for the nth term. Then cross multiply 2 times this thing you are seeing here simply means n bracket A plus Tn all over 2 equal to n squared. So I will do cross multiply. If I do cross multiply, it will be giving me that it implies that n bracket A plus Tn equals to 2n squared, 2 times this. Okay? Now, divide everything by n. If I divide everything by n will cancel this, giving me a plus tn equal to 2n. Now, this a is called first term. First term, which is equal to a, simply means s1 minus s0. What is your s1? The question now is, what is your s1? Since they said Sn equal to n squared, from Sn equal to n squared, from Sn equal to n squared, it means that S1 will be equal to 1 squared equal to 1, S0 equal to 0 squared equal to 0. Therefore, T1 equal to A equal to, this minus this, 1 minus 0 will give you 1. Therefore, you now say, what is your A? You write 1 plus, what is your Tn? Tn equal to 20. Equal to 2n, please. Therefore, the nth term will be equal to 2n, carry 1 to the other side, minus 1. Answer. We have been able to get our nth term. We go to the fourth question. We go to the fourth question. Fourth question says, find the sum of the GP. Once you see dot, 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 it means sum to infinity. It means that this number continues to infinity. Then, sum of the GP of any number or any set of number that has dot, dot, dot simply means sum to infinity. So this is a way of telling you, get sum to infinity. So if they give you this type of question, know that they mean get sum to infinity of the GP. Then what you now say is sum to infinity equal to A bracket A all over 1 minus R. What is my A? A equal to 1. What is my R? R equal to 1 over 2 divided by 1. 1 over 2 divided by 1 equal to 1 over 2. Therefore, sum to infinity will be equal to A is 1 all over 1 minus, what is my R? 1 over 2. Now, if you take LCM of this, it will give you 2. 1 divided to 2, 2 times 1, 2, minus 2 divided to 1, 1 times is 1. So you now say your final answer will be sum to infinity equals to 1 over 1 over 2. Because 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2. So, inverse of 1 over 2 will be giving you 2. Answer. So if you sum this to infinity, it will be giving you 2. We go to question number 5. We go to question number 5. They say find the nth term of the progression this. Remember, you have to check whether it is AP or GP. Now let's check. 9 minus 27 minus 18. 3 minus, this will give you minus 18. 3 minus 9 minus 6. You see, they do not give us the same thing. You say it is not AP. 9 divided by 27. This is T1, 27, 9, 3. This is T1, T2, T3. So, when you say T2 over T1 equal to T3 over T2. 9 divided by 27, that will be giving you 1 over 3. So, if this over this is the same thing as this over this, it means that R equal to 1 over 3. It means that it is a GP, not an AP. Because if you say 9 minus 27, it is not equal to 3 minus 9. This minus is not equal to 3 minus this. So, you know that this is not working. So, it's a GP, not an AP. Now, what you now do is that since it's a GP, you say Tn equal to AR raised to the power of n minus 1. What is your A? A is the first term. You now say, therefore, Tn equal to 27, which is your first term, bracket 1 over 3, which is your R, raised to the power of n minus 1. Answer. Because we said when this divide this 1 over 3, this divide this 1 over 3, and your A means the first one, 27. So that is it. We go to the last question on this. The last question on this. Find the sum of the first 20 terms in arithmetic progression whose first term is 7 and last term is 3. You say first term is 7, last term is 117. I'll look for a formula that I will use to get the sum of the first 20 terms. You say Sn equal to n over 2 bracket 2a. Sn equal to m over 2 bracket a plus tn. Where our n equal to 20, our a 7 and tn 117. So you now say S20 equals to 20 over 2. You are now putting the parameters they gave you. They say first term is 7 and the last term is 117. So bracket 7 plus 117. 7 plus 117 will give me 124. This divide is 10. S20 equals to 10 times 124. That is 1240. That is the final answer to the question we have for today. See you next time. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you enjoy the topic, and also click like button as well, so that you get a lot of information, a lot of videos from us. See you next time.